the frame pulse sensor is the same than this other parking sensor, so because this already gives one pulse per one single shot frame, then we can just take the same signal here. So when the plate is over the sensor, then it gives a signal. I connected it to the LED now. The signal level is pretty weak, so it's intentional. So this is meant for counters and not LEDs. I am just using the LEDs to test because it's much faster. So we can get the signal out of here. And the idea of this module is that it has protection electronics. So if you have a static discharge coming from the outside connectors, then this should remove that dangerous voltage so it doesn't burn your mainboard. And if the pulse is too strong, then it's likely that it only destroys this module. And because it has the quick connectors, you can just take it out and replace with another similar one if needed, or repair some components if it's possible, or replace the whole module. So that is why the signals are coming through this module, except the sync warning light. It's there, but other signals are coming via this module. So to the 6-pin accessory connector on the back panel and the smaller accessory connector on the front side panel are coming via this model. So here we get one pulse per revolution signal for external footage counters, and I do have compatible counters for this camera. So you can just ask for a counter if you want to buy readily made one, or you can make one by yourself. You can get the correct signal from here. So there's that. And of course we have dual power inputs, so you can, this one is meant for the 6-pin external connector on the back panel, and this is meant for onboard batteries if you use those. So you can just wire them like that, and it always takes the power from the higher voltage source. So you can use the hot swap batteries, like connect the external power to the back panel input, and then you can swap the onboard batteries without camera powering down, because when taking the other source off, then it just takes operating power from the other source. Then. Yes, I will start to make the cable bundles. So it's, for example, have the necessary wires from here, and then the power cables, and those go to the 6-pin connector on the back panel. And one bundle goes to the control panel. So the control button and the display, that wire comes from here. And the wires going to the encoder, the 3 wires from here. So I will make those bundles next, but we'll work on the crystal sync before that.